Hello guys, welcome back. Today we discuss 35 plus best ways to make money online in 2021. Maybe you want to create a separate stream of income and pay a few bills, or you are simply looking for a way to replace your current job. Whatever your reason, there are a ton of different ways to how to make money online. However, be careful. Some of those methods can be malicious, and as there are many scam or other illegal activities out there. You will find more than 35 different ways you can make money online that actually work. Some involve creating your own website, but you will also find methods that use the built-in audience of existing platforms. How to make money online with a website or blog. Number one, make money with an awesome blog. Number two, start an affiliate website. Number three, build an e-commerce website. Number four, resell web hosting. Number five, create a digital course. Number six, create a membership site. Number seven, sell advertising space. Number eight, sell your services. Number nine, create a subscription job board. Number 10, create an online directory. Number 11, sell your website. Ways to make money online without a website. Number 12, publish Kindle book. Number 13, email marketing, freelance on site like Upwork. Number 15, web buy and sell website. Sell web design templates, buy and sell domain names, sell stock photo and footage, and extra. There is so many 35 ways, even 40 plus ways to earn money online. How to make money online with website or blog. One of the most time proven ways to make money online is through your own website. You pick a niche, generate traffic, and then sell your product and services to your audience. Here you will learn how to make money online with affiliate marketing, product selling, your own physical goods course, and a lot more. Keep reading to learn about different ways to make money online. Number one, make money online with an awesome blog. A lot of people start a blog as a way to express their views or as a creative outlet. However, there are many cases of people not only earning a living from their blogs but even turning them into a massive companies like the Huffington Post. Not every blogger will hit these figures, but if you play your cards right, you might have a solid chance to earning money with your blog. Remember that it's important to have a long-term vision. You won't make money right away, but as your writing improves, your skill grow, and your site picks up more traffic, it's a definite possibility. If your goal is to start a blog that makes you money, here are some tips to keep in mind. Number one, choose a broad topic like health, finance, relationship, hobbies, or personal growth. Number two, always aim for quality and create the best possible source on any given topic. Number three, learn about SEO and how to rank your site in search engines. Number four, build a network with popular bloggers and other influencers. These tips will lead you in the right direction. Once you have a trustworthy blog that get a large volume of traffic, you will have make opportunity to monetize your site such as paid advertising, selling your own course and product, selling affiliate product. Number two, start an affiliate website. An affiliate marketing site is built upon recommending or reviewing certain products. Then, when a reader buys that product through your link, you will receive a commission, although it might not seem like a big revenue generator. There are multi-million-dollar sites based on affiliate revenue alone. For example, Wirecutter was so profitable that the New York Times bought the site for $30 million. There are also Lucelist, a site about a baby product reviews, and outdoor gear lab, a site dedicated to campaign or hiking gears reviews. To start your own affiliate marketing website, join an affiliate program that fits you site's niche. For instance, if you have a blog dedicated to computers and technology, you can become a Hostinger affiliate. For example, this website offers reviews about hosting services, VPN tools, and site builders. Every time it mentions a product, an affiliate link is included in the post. After sign up for the Hostinger affiliate program, you will get access to the affiliate marketing dashboard where you can track all of your campaigns. Then use the provide marketing materials like banners, ebook, and infographics to increase sale. While hosting your affordable plans help to ensure a high conversion rate, there is always room to maximize your gain. For that reason, it is possible to ask for suggestion and advice from your dedicated account manager. They will be happy to help you out. Build an e-commerce website. E-commerce sites have exploded in popularity in recent years with the prevalence of a platform like WordPress and WooCommerce. Creating an e-commerce site could not be easier. If you prefer dealing with a physical product and selling something tangible, then opening up a e-commerce stores could be upgraded. There are two different methods of running a successful online store: creating and selling a niche physical product to a dedicated group to buyers, purchasing cheaper trending products manufactured in foreign countries, repacking them and selling them at a markup. The first approach can be very successful, but it does require passion for the product and the willingness to do a ton of research, product development, and testing. However, such as success of stories like Skinny Mitty, Bread Band, and Ratio Coffee show that you can reach incredible result with your e-commerce website. If the first approach seems a little risky for your first online business, then you might consider the second option of reselling popular overseas products. This matters involves sourcing a popular product from a platform like AliExpress, repacking the product and selling it through your own storefront. Beyond selling the right product, you will also need to think about how you are going to ship your products.